Getting new clients is great, but keeping the good ones? That's where the magic and the money is made. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to keep our clients loyal, happy, and coming back for more. Ready to keep your clients super duper happy? Let's go. Did you know that it costs 5 times more to find a new client rather than keep an existing client happy? And loyal, gold standard clients will refer your business to their friends, colleagues, and family, will leave you glowing reviews about how good your service is, and they won't be haggling and blowing up your phone every 5 minutes over nothingness. Let's break down what it is that keeps our clients committed to our service month after month and year after year. Remembering children's names, pets' names, special holidays and birthdays to the families or businesses that you serve. Sending little touches like thank you notes, anniversary cards, birthday cards and Christmas cards can go a long way in adding a little personal touch to your client and keeping you in mind. Consistent, professional, and ongoing communication. This will be things like confirming bookings, sending reminders, sending follow-ups, asking for reviews, keeping in touch with your clients to make sure that they are happy and satisfied with your cleaning service. And the third section would be your complete professionalism at all times. This is reflected in such things as a company uniform or company colours, rather than everyone just wearing random tracksuits and leggings. Your cleaners arriving on time promptly when you said they would, with the correct equipment and all the correct products ready and enthusiastic to take on the service. Predictable systems that your clients can trust. They know that it goes from A to B, from C to D. They can predict you. They know how the business works. This gives comfort and it gives confidence to people that run your service, that know it's not a higgledy-piggledy mess and that it is actually something that runs so very well.
And if you would like some more pointers about how you can get your business to run like a super slick machine, make sure you check out last week's video on how to organize your cleaning business so that eventually it runs without you. Sexy.
So in addition to those 3 sections, let's add on another 2 to really wow our clients. This doesn't have to cost the earth. It can be something really simple like cleaning inside of their fridge, or giving them a bin clean and attaching a little smelly on the inside to keep it smelling fresh. For your best and most VIP client, you could even add a little VIP treatment once a month or once a quarter to your best clients. As we have said before, start thinking along the lines of small cost to you as the business owner, but brings a lot of value to the client. So think about starting a client wow list and add to it mini VIP treatments, extra bolt-on treatments, or even a recommend referral scheme that gets rewards to your clients who bring the boys to the yard. Be the indispensable cleaning business that your client cannot live without, cannot bear the thought of living without you. You don't need a million clients to run a successful cleaning business. You just need ones that you can retain, that stay loyal to you and with you month after month and year after year, because you provide such a good, reliable and consistent cleaning service. Start trying out some of the tips in this video in your cleaning business and see what a difference that makes to your client. Do you have any above and beyond strategies or things that you do in your service that make your clients really love what you do? Drop yours in the comments below so that we can all grow and thrive together with best practices. And if there is anything that you would ever want to see me tackle on a video, or you have a question that you'd like me to answer directly, please drop it in the comments or come find me on social media and send me a private message. I will be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video. Until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.